Here's a video of importing your territory list. Um, the first thing I did was I looked at your spreadsheet, and frankly, everything looked great. You're doing it by state. You've got your territory names correctly placed with each state, and they're all spelled correctly. So it didn't seem like there was anything that was going to be causing errors there. And then I went over to Map Business Online, and I'm going to just align that a little better. Let's see if I can do that. So what I did was I just created a new map. I've got a view of the US, and I simply, you can create territories here, or you can follow the dialog box that appears when you create a new map. Either way, those buttons are the same. So create territories and create new map. I'll create a new map just to go back to the very beginning. So creating a new USA map. And then this has a create territory sort of pathway that you can follow. You're going to create from a data set, and you're just going to go next to plotting data. We're going to browse out to where your data is, which is right there. You don't need to see it. Open that data, click next. Make sure the state is being used as the plotting agent or column. Click next. It's got all 49 states in there. You did not include Hawaii. Territory manager here is the name of the territory. So for the column of the territory names is territory manager. And then just double check on state, click create territories, and in comes 7 territories. Now, in your email, I think you suggested, that's my wife's email. See if I can find your email. Oh, I think this was it. It said that I can only import half of the 50 territories from the spreadsheet. But what's in fact happening in your spreadsheet is it's got 49 states and 7 territories. So you really don't have 50 territories. You have 7 territories using 49 states because Hawaii was not included. And so if I go back to my Map Business Online, you'll see the territories are listed here, 7 territories. You can drill in to any of them. You can add more data if you want to. So you could go in and get demographic data and add that to your analysis. You can do a lot of that data adding, and then you can always export that data out using this button here. So your territory data could come out, and then you've got the ability to total that population or other demographic data sets that you might include. So that's what I'm finding. I'm going to send this over to you. Good luck. Talk to you soon.